Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'd like to bring you another application that features as part of a SetApp subscription on macOS, and that's ForecastBar. Now ForecastBar is a weather utility and it's also available directly from the developer's website of forecastbar.com. Now I'm here on the website now and I just want to quickly show you the different pricing options, as ForecastBar is indeed a subscription service. The different tiers relate to the frequency of the background updates that you receive. So the SetApp version is the equivalent of the $4.99 subscription, which gives you updates every hour. There is also an iOS version of ForecastBar, which you can sync across and requires a separate subscription. Okay, I've got SetApp open and I've searched for ForecastBar. It's already installed and I'm going to click open. Now there are a few configuration choices we need to make as we run through. First, we need to select whether we want it to run as a menu bar application or from the dock. I'm going to leave that a menu bar and click continue. All of the choices that we make here on this first run of the app are changeable later within preferences, so don't worry if you need to change your mind. Next, we need to select whether we want the drop down to show a 5-day, 3-day or just today's weather summary. I think I'm going to select 3-day there in the middle, then continue. Next, do we want a graph view or a summary view? I like the visuals, I think, of the graph, so I'll go with that. Click continue again. And notifications. We can select whether we want rain alerts popping up, as well as severe weather alerts. And you can also schedule a daily forecast to appear at a time of your choosing. I'm going to just go with the defaults here for now and select continue. We're almost there. There's certainly a lot of windows here. Do we want to launch automatically? Yes, I do. Tap continue. Next, you could define how ForecastBar interacts with the iOS application for sending alerts. Now, the iOS version is not for this screencast, so I'll tap continue. And we even have one more thing, just like an Apple keynote, although this feels like it's going on a bit longer. This just says that ForecastBar will need access to the machine's location to give more accurate weather information. So I'll click finish. We now have a menu bar utility. I'm going to minimize SetApp and then go up to ForecastBar, click on it and see what we have.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.